Hi guys, I'm Nivedya and I'm studying 2nd grade. Welcome to my world of numbers. In this video, I'm going to share a few tips and tricks with you all about mental addition.
Mental addition, two-digit numbers. Method 1. 37 plus 52 equals, let's see how we can find this out. 37 equals 30 plus 7. 52 equals 50 plus 2. 30 plus 50 equals 80. 7 plus 2 equals 9. 80 plus 9, answer is 89. Method 2. 47 plus 66 equals, let's see how we can find this out. Find the nearest 10. 47's nearest 10 is 50. 47 is 50 minus 3. And 66 is 60 plus 6. Now let's add this all together. And the answer is 160. Now we need to minus 3. And the answer is 113. Answer is 113. Mental addition, three-digit numbers. Method 1. Let's see an example as 723 plus 255. Let's see how we can find this out. 723 equals 700 plus 20 plus 3. 255 equals 200 plus 50 plus 5. 700 plus 200 equals 900. 20 plus 50 equals 70. 3 plus 5 equals 8. 900 plus 70 plus 8, answer is 978.